Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and well, it's slowly coming back, but there is still on some markets right now a Skype shortage. So basically, if you are using Skype or if you tried to use Skype in the past few hours, today, January 13th, 2021, and couldn't connect or were disconnected or couldn't make calls, there's a worldwide outage of Skype. It's, as of this video, slowly coming back. Microsoft is, of course, looking at the details as why this is happening. But this also shows you that when something goes bad, it affects a lot of people. So it was reported across the world in pretty much every continent, from Asia to Europe to North America and so on. And it has to do with some kind of connectivity issue because the first thing that a lot of people are complaining about is that they got actually removed from their account, actually got logged off. And when you try to log back in, it doesn't work. So it could be some kind of login issue with the servers or something. So be patient if you have Skype problems this morning, January 13th, 2021, or today. Simply, be patient. Things are slowly coming back to normal. I've seen that some people say that they've got the service back, but also see that some people still don't have it. It started roughly around 9 a.m. Eastern time this morning. So that's about a little more than 3 hours ago. And, well, if you have issues, just be patient. Things should come back to normal during the day. It's interesting because with the confinement, Zoom has taken so much more space than Skype, actually. So this is probably not going to help, that's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.